What's good? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back. Thank you for tuning in once again. I hope everybody is blessed, healthy, and wealthy, taking care of your temple, because it's the only place that you got to live in this lifetime. You feel me? Please like and subscribe to the channel. It is greatly appreciated. All right, thank you in advance. Today we got some more heat for your feet, and today is some fire. All right, some incoming fire was delivered earlier. UPS man at about maybe 3 this afternoon, and I had to bring it to y'all ASAP. All right, so let's get right to it. That's what we working with. All right, this is a Jordan sneaker. Get that in there, Air Jordan 11 Retro. Is it clear enough for you? You see that? All right, boom. So let's go ahead and bust it open. Whoa! This is some heat. This is some fire. Whew. Fire. Check these out. This is a dope sneaker. Check them out. I'm really feeling that gold. You got the gold 23 with the gold Jumpman. Yeah. This is some fire. This is a dope sneaker. Alright. So far, from what I'm seeing, this sneaker is put together very, very well. I didn't have any of the previous recent releases of these for myself, but this one right here, I give this one a 10. These look really, really good in hand. These look really, really good. You got this synthetic leather here. I know on some of the previous versions you had like some type of nylon type of material here, or whatever type of mesh material they usually put here. So you also have some of that synthetic leather on the tongue. Also, as you can see, with the Jumpman Jordan there, with the gold Jumpman there. Yeah, these are dope. The patent leather is feels good, feels decent. I have to say these look even better in hand than they did on these look better in person than they did on in pictures online that I've seen. Check out the sole. You got that carbon fiber plate here, synthetic carbon fiber. But yeah, these are dope. Go ahead and grab the left, the right shoe. Of course, more of the same. I love the laces on the 11s though. These laces are just a little bit more thicker than the usual laces you find on sneakers. A little bit more puffier, chunkier. But yeah, once again, that gold touch that they put on it fits. Yeah, it's perfect. Let me know what y'all think about these. These released on a shop drop November 14th, last week. They released on a shop drop here in the US, and I believe they officially release I'll put that up, the official release date. I have to double check it. But yeah, these are dope. This is a fire pickup. Let me know if you will be going for these when they do have their official release coming up really soon. Alright, so yeah, this is what we got. The Jordan 11, I believe they call these the Gratitude. The Jordan 11 Gratitude. Alright, fire, heat for your feet. Jordan 11 Gratitude. Dope. Alright. And they call these the Gratitude. And you also, inside the box here, have that says thank you. Alright, so there's a little gratitude in the box also. Thank you. Alright. See that there? Thank you. Okay. So that's what we got. We got that heat for your feet with Jordan 11 Gratitude. Now, I got some gratitude for one of my subscribers also, right? A few weeks ago, these released. The Jordan 11 Neapolitan, right? I did a video on these. You can check that out right here. You can check that out. So what I'm gonna do with these, this is a 7.5 in women's, which is a 6 in boys, so men's, whatever, right? And I'm gonna be giving these away. If you want a chance to win these in a size 6 in men's, 7.5 in women's, right? If you want a chance to win these, go to the video that I did on this sneaker here, the Jordan 11 Neapolitan. Like and subscribe to the channel and comment. Love always wins. Hit the comment section. Love always wins. Not only in the video for this sneaker, but go to all my videos and comment. Love always wins. Like my video, subscribe to the channel, and comment. Love always wins for your chance to win these. I'll be giving these away in a week, depending on how many likes and how many of you guys subscribe to the channel and like the video that I did on these and my other videos. All right. So if you want a chance to win these, that's all you got to do. Like, subscribe, and comment. Love always wins, and I'll get these to you ASAP. All right. I'm gonna do that next week. All right. So that's what we got for today. Heat for your feet. Stay tuned for more. We got more heat coming. You know, I got some things that I'm gonna be doing reviews on tomorrow. We're gonna start that up tomorrow. All right. So stay tuned. Like, subscribe, comment. Love always wins. Peace, and God bless.